I can hardly believe it. That's the end of this beautiful lecture. It's about the atmosphere, the atmospheric circulation. Okay, and I introduced you to different wind phenomena that exist on different time scales and spatial scales indeed. So on a time scale of several years, if you average the winds over several years, there are persistent zonal wind patterns called the westerlies, the easterlies, and the trade winds. Okay. On a timescale of a few years, wind patterns can vary as a signature of year-to-year climate variability. Okay. Within a timescale of a year, some regions experience a seasonal wind reversal affiliated with the monsoons. Okay. On a timescale of a week, the local weather is influenced by something we call synoptic wind pattern or weather patterns. Near coast there can be something like a sea breeze systems. Yeah? And then I introduce you to the ITCZ, which is the Intertropical Convergence Zone. It's a zone of maximum precipitation on Earth. The wind direction, I didn't explicitly highlight that feature, but the wind direction has a profound effect on precipitation because it depends on, or a crucial component is that the wind comes from the sea, because then the air can take up the moisture, the water vapor, and trigger rainfall over land. Okay. The large-scale wind divergence can also suppress rainfall. Okay. So exam relevance, so what you essentially need to understand is just the general aspects. Okay. So if in the future I mention trade winds, then you should be able to imagine winds from east to west along the equator. Or if I say the westerlies, if I mention a word like updraft or downdraft, precipitation is another word that would be worth knowing. All right.